Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So I hope you guys are staying safe, sanitizing yourself. Even if you're going out at this time for grocery shopping or any kind of emergency, please do wear a mask. You can wear 2 masks for double protection. That will be great. Okay, so I am right at home. I'm working from home. And also a quick update on Dollar. He's doing better little bit. If you guys want, I can do a video of what happened to him. If you guys are interested, I can do a vlog with him and I can share that with you guys. And also guys, I'm doing a workshop, makeup workshop. Now makeup workshop is very different. I did post it on my community and I got lots and lots of hate, but ignore that because this workshop is paid. I have kept the fees minimal, and yeah, that is what the best I can do. And in this workshop you will learn a lot of things step by step. So I will create a beautiful simple look like a dewy finish and a smudged eyeliner look, and the other one will be very gorgeous one. So I will be creating 2 looks in different days. And also guys, do join if you want to learn personally from me. So yeah, that is what I wanted to mention. And I'm also going out of breath. I don't know why. I have been feeling sick. It has been few days. Yeah, from few days I'm feeling little low, like no energy at all, and you can definitely see that on my face. I know a lot of people actually know it from my face, and they actually comment down below whenever I feel sick or I don't feel good. So anyway, let's move on to the haul. So today I'm sharing the Amazon beauty haul. Tomorrow I will share the Amazon fashion haul. Now all the products I have bought in April, mid-April, and I've received them on 25th to 26th, somewhere around that. So yeah, I am going to share few of the products that I really wanted to try from a really long time. Right, before jumping into the haul, let me just tell you, I know there are a lot of people who love shopping and they can't control themselves even in lockdown. So whenever you shop, just whenever you get the package, don't open it then and then. Keep it for 72 hours or more, and then keep on sanitizing it, and then open it, and then again sanitize everything. Okay, so that will really help. And you can use this kind of sprays or whatever you have in your home, just spray it, or just massage them with sanitizer, and that will be great. So let's quickly move on to the haul. So the first thing I've bought is something very different, and I have seen a lot of people using it, but I don't know if I will be using it or not, but I really wanted to try. Okay, so this is the hair scalp massager shampoo brush. So this is how it is going to look like. I've seen lots and lots of people trying this out, and they love massaging their hair with this. But honestly, I get tons of hair fall washing my hair, so I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I'm definitely going to try it once. Okay, the price of this is $5.99, but I got this for ₹2.99, which was a steal definitely. So let me just quickly show you this. So here is the brush. As you can see, it definitely looks scary at first, but these are silicone. I hope you can, yeah, so these are silicone and they feel very soft on your skin. So for scalp, I think this will definitely work. Yeah, oh my god, I can sleep right now. This is so good. It feels so good on the hair, but it is not a massager like this. You have to wash your hair with this, with the shampoo. So for that, I'm definitely looking forward to try this out. If you have ever tried this, let me know what is your experience, if you get hair fall or not. I don't know, I do get lots and lots of hair fall, so I'm very scared, but still I'm super excited to try this. Yeah, I do have bought 2 weird products from Amazon. The first one was the hair massager, the shampoo brush. The next one is this multi-function beauty equipment. I don't know. So yeah, there is no such information outside, but I hope they have an information leaflet inside. Yeah, they do have it. Product instruction. Okay, so this is the product. As you can see, this is the product. As you can see, it definitely is going to massage your skin. I'm very scared to use it because I do have my makeup on. and I don't want to ruin it. And also they have this attacher which is for your under eye. They do look good, but it's definitely plastic, you guys. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up, but there is no battery right now, but I'm definitely going to try this out. I mean, this looks so good, right? It looks luxurious, but it is definitely plastic at the same time. It doesn't looks or feels cheap. Yeah, so I'm super excited to try this. I don't know if this actually works for anything or not, or just relaxing. Maybe that will work as well. Alright, the MRP of this was very high, $12.99, but I got it for 350 rupees. Now the next product is something which I've used before and I wanted to try the new styles. So this is the Kalailys Fox Mink eyelash. So this is the Kalailys Fox Mint eyelash. It is a multi-purpose one. Easy to apply, lightweight and reusable. I have tried their I think this is CS18. I think I've tried CS10 or maybe something like that. I love the quality. They sit on the eye very well. The lash band is very good, and also this glue is superb. So I really love this. Now the price of this, they have mentioned $638, but I got this for $299 only. Let's move on to a skincare product. Now this I really wanted to try from really long. This is the Bioderma Cica Bio Cream. I have seen Samarthi Banerjee. I follow her. She is amazing. So I have seen her talking about this product all the time and she loves it. It's her go-to product for, you know, angry skin and irritated skin. So I do have that angry irritated skin and Avene works for me amazingly, but I really wanted to try this one because she mentioned that the formula is beautiful, it's lightweight and it blends really well. So that is why I really wanted to try this. This is the Soothing Repairing Cream. It restores, relieves, purifies irritated, damaged skin. So the price of this is little expensive. It is how much? Yeah, 1365 rupees. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. I wanted to try this from really long, but I have never got this from anywhere. So Amazon, thank you so much for restocking this. I'm so relieved right now, but yeah, I hope this works for me. So let me just feel that texture. So I'm just taking a little bit on the back of my hand, this much. It has a kind of a grayish color, I would say. Not totally grayish, but it's not white or creamy. So I mean cream colored. So this is how it is going to blend. Oh my god, it feels very smooth, very smooth, and it blends really well. No fragrance at all. It definitely feels little, you know, oily on my hand, yeah, on my skin as well, but it's extremely smooth. It definitely did make my hand very smooth. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna try this right now. I mean, not now. Whenever I remove this makeup, I will. Alright, next up, I have bought this Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Longwear Foundation. Now let me see the price of this. I actually forgot. This one retails for ₹160. Let me check how much I have paid for this. So I bought it for ₹140 and I got the shade 04 Warm Nude. Let me just quickly swatch it for you guys. I don't know this will match me or not, but I'm gonna try it very soon. Okay. इसका तो ड्रॉपर ही काम नहीं कर रहा है. Okay, I hope, yeah. This is the foundation. I don't think this will match. So this is the foundation. It definitely is not lightweight. It feels very creamy. So this is how it blends with a beauty blender. There is no coverage. I don't see any coverage. It's like sheer. You can see my veins. Let me know if you guys want a dedicated review of this or not, or I can do a full face of first impression again because I do have lots and lots of products. Alright, next up I have bought this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Powder. It gives you that 12 hours oil control. It also has SPF 28 PA triple plus. Yes, the shade I've got is 310, which is sun beige. The shade I use is 310 and 230, so I really wanted to try 310 because I'm tan right now. This is how the outer packaging is going to look like when you open this. Yeah, this is the shade. Okay, lastly, I do have a jewelry from Zaveri Pearls. Now, last time when I tried their Zaveri Pearls earrings and also the necklace, I fell in love. I thought of trying another piece from Zaveri Pearls, and let's see how this looks. I haven't opened this yet. So this is the one I've got. It definitely looks very beautiful. The finish of the product is very good, and these are the earrings you get with this necklace. So the price they have mentioned on Amazon is 3,160, and I've got it for rupees 398 only. You can try Zaveri Pearls jewelries. They are very good quality. I love them. Also, the prices are amazing. They are affordable. They are not cheap at all. The quality is very nice, so you can definitely give this one a try. So I am going to mention the links of all the products I have mentioned in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.